Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to avoid Jevil's attacks. First, familiarize yourself with Jevil's 3 distinct attack phases. Each phase introduces new patterns and increases in difficulty, so recognizing them is key. The battle takes place in a small, circular arena, so make sure to use every inch of space to your advantage. Your primary goal should be evasion, especially in the Next, let's tackle the carousel and ring attacks. For the carousel, move in a wide circle, keeping pace with the rotating projectiles. When Jevil summons a ring of spades, position yourself near the center of the arena. This gives you the most reaction time to slip through the gaps. Remember to always anticipate the direction of the spinning scythes to avoid taking damage. After submitting your application, a background check will be initiated. This process usually takes a few business days, but can sometimes extend up to 7 days, depending on various factors. DoorDash will review your driving record and criminal history to ensure safety for everyone. Once your background check clears and you are approved, you'll receive an email notification. This email will guide you on how to activate your Dasher account and prepare for your first deliveries. Finally, here are some overarching tips for mastering Jevil's patterns. Practice is essential. The more you fight Jevil, the better you'll learn the attack timings and tells. Always prioritize dodging over dealing damage, especially during his more chaotic phases. Save your healing items for critical moments, perhaps when your health drops below 25%. With patience and persistence, you'll overcome Jevil's challenge.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.